Hello and welcome back to another quick tech update with me, Wayne. Now, in today's video, we are taking a look at a new feature which has just been rolled out by Facebook called Facebook Pay, which allows you to pay for items using your Instagram, your WhatsApp, or your good old Facebook account. Now, from time to time, I do like to jump in and check out the social media apps, the websites, and the platforms that I use just to make sure the security and the privacy settings are set up to a level that I am comfortable with. Because let's face it, privacy and security settings do change from time to time, and it's really important to go back in and fine tune those. But not only that, sometimes the social media apps and platforms that we use do roll out new features, and they make these features available to us and enabled on our account. And if we don't want to use them, we got to go in and we got to make some changes to the particular feature. So I thought it would be helpful today if I done a quick video on how this Facebook Pay feature works, if you want to remove a payment method on your account, and also some of the things to keep in mind and why it's important to make sure that you switch on the enhanced security features within this to keep your account safe and secure. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and we're going to jump into my Facebook account, and you're going to be able to follow along on screen. So what you're going to want to do first of all is you're going to want to go into your news feed. You're going to want to tap on the little profile down at the bottom right hand side. That's going to take you into your shortcuts. And from here, you're going to want to find Facebook Pay. Now on my screen, it's at the top right hand side. It might be different on yours. It could be further down. So you may want to have to scroll a little bit to find this. Now, it's also worth keeping in mind that it's not currently available for everybody. This is something that's been rolled out and it's currently available on my account, and I was glad that I was able to find it over the past couple of days and just make some changes to how it works on my Facebook account. So we're going to go right ahead and we're going to tap into Facebook Pay, and what you can see here right away on screen, and this is what kind of raised alarm bells with me, my credit, my debit card and my PayPal account were automatically connected to this new feature on Facebook. Now, I didn't get any notification from Facebook to tell me that this has happened. They were just connected. Now, that's why it's really important to make sure that you have things like the two-factor authentication turned on in your account. Because if your account was to be compromised or hacked, or somebody was to gain access to it, they could use this feature to purchase things without your permission. So some people may want to go in and they may want to remove their payment details altogether from this particular feature, and you can do that if you wish. If you want to remove a credit or a debit card, or indeed your PayPal account, all you do is tap on the particular account, scroll to the bottom and click remove, and that will remove that payment method from your Facebook Pay account. Now, the next thing you're probably going to want to do is, if you are going to use this feature and you're comfortable with having this set up on your account, you've got your two-factor authentication turned on. What I would say that you do is you turn on the enhanced security features. Now, unfortunately, and it's disappointing, Facebook haven't these turned on by default, which I think they should have. I think they should have these features enabled by default so that you get a notification and a prompt. If this is active on your account, particularly if there's a payment method set up on your account, that it prompts you to turn on the extra PIN to approve any purchases on your account. So I would highly recommend, if you're going to use this feature, you turn this on, and all you have to do is tap on your settings. It's going to give you a couple of options then, whether to use Face ID or whether to use a 4-digit PIN. Let's go ahead and tap on the 4-digit PIN, and then it's going to ask you then to create your PIN. It's going to ask you to create that PIN, verify it, and then save it. And what that means, guys, is that any purchases that are made through your Facebook account will require that 4-digit PIN. So there you go, guys. That's a quick overview on Facebook Pay, how it works, and some of the things that you need to be aware of. As always, I hope you found this video today useful and helpful. Please don't forget to reach out and get in touch if there's something that you would like me to cover in an upcoming video, and I'll see you next time around for one of my short but helpful tech updates.